I'm Andrew Gould, Head of Art at St Ivo Academy, and I oversee the teaching and learning of A-Level Textiles, and this is a short presentation to tell you about the A-Level Textiles course.
At St Ivo Academy, we use the Pearson Edexcel GCE Art and Design Specification Textiles endorsement. On the A-Level course, students learn to be creative and independent textile artists. A-Level Textiles is a flexible course that allows students to explore their own ideas and interests using a thematic starting point. Students do some fashion design as part of the course. The Textiles course is an entirely practical exam. It is part of a suite of art and design subjects that uses the same specification, exam paper and assessment criteria. A-Level Textiles is made up of two components. Component 1 is the coursework component and has two parts worth 60% of the total mark. Both components have a thematic starting point. Part 1 is entirely practical and is made of preparatory studies and a personal outcome. In a moment, I'll take you through a component of work to illustrate the salient characteristics of a typical textiles thematic project. This will help you understand what students do if they choose A-Level Textiles. Part 2 is an essay of between 1,000 and 3,000 words, usually about artists' work that students have used to influence their own ideas. Component 2 is the exam component worth 40% of the total mark. This is entirely practical, where students work from a thematic starting point set by the exam board. Students are expected to work in a very similar way to how they work in Component 1, producing both preparatory studies and a final outcome. I'm going to take you through a typical textiles thematic project. This is a coursework component with environment as the thematic starting point. Students experiment with a wide range of techniques and consider how to develop their own ideas using them. Students research artists and designers to help inspire their own ideas. They explore ideas and techniques discovered from research. Students strengthen their preparatory studies by experimenting with a wide range of techniques. They consider ways in which to apply techniques to their own design ideas. They explore a wide range of techniques to achieve a better understanding of the potential of materials. Students consider how to use techniques in their own ideas. The next 3 slides will show you how students continually research new artists' work to help develop original ideas. Students often visit places and photograph what they see to help develop their own ideas. Students design and make a final outcome, which is usually a piece of constructed textiles. Students often photograph their final outcomes on a model in an appropriate location to present it at their best. So why choose textiles? It's an excellent preparation for a textiles or fashion design course or other art-related course in higher education. There's very little formal written work. It's a creative and practical subject. It's an excellent choice for well-being. Creativity and making textiles is very therapeutic. Textiles can be fun. It offers creative and technical life skills. There's no written exams. And you get to keep your portfolio of textiles as a permanent reminder of your school years. And lastly, the department consistently achieves excellent exam results. If you have any further questions, please contact me using the email on the slide. Thank you.